Good morning, traders. I'm Tom White with your Schwab Network Morning Minute for Wednesday, June 18th. Intel shares are slightly higher in pre-market trading after the chipmaker's manufacturing VP says the company plans to cut 15 to 20% of factory staff from July to meet our affordability challenges and current financial position, according to the Oregonian. These are difficult actions, but essential to meet our affordability challenges and current financial position of the company. It drives pain to every individual, Intel's VP wrote to employees in a memo. And Boeing shares are slightly higher after investigators stated Air India Flight 171 had an emergency power generator operating when it crashed, raising questions on whether the plane's engines were functioning properly at takeoff, according to a Wall Street Journal report. The preliminary finding gives investigators a new line of inquiry. The system can deploy automatically in flight if both engines fail or if all three hydraulic system pressures are low, the journal adds, citing the airline's manual for the Boeing 787. And Netflix shares are higher after the streaming company made a deal to show linear TV with French TV network TF1. The Financial Times reports TF1 will use Netflix's platform to broadcast shows as well as major live sports in its home country. The agreement opens the door to more deals between Netflix and traditional TV groups. Be sure to download the Schwab Network app and watch 24/7 on schwabnetwork.com.